So once again, good afternoon everyone. I'm here just to share a very, very short tip today. The thing is that I have realized that many of my students, they used, instead of course, nobody uses dictionaries anymore, but during the examination, and you usually use something that which is in your mobile phone. I've seen many of my students who used Google Translator, for example. Please do not do that. Google Translator will always and only give you one word, and that's not what you need, okay? Because you're going to have different context for different words, and you need something else. The dictionary that I use is an application that I can also use offline, and it's called DICT.CC, so DICT, like dictionary.cc. Why do I use that? Because the English-German dictionary is very good, and because I can use that offline, so I don't have a lot of data. And that's the thing. So please, once again, do not use Google Translator when you find a word that you don't know. That was everything. See you later. Bye.